Hello, everyone. This is a Euro Yen 40-minute chart, setup chart. This is a setup chart. I made it on the 26th April, which was last Saturday, and it shows that the Euro Yen is going to drop from here to here, right? And if it does, then what's supposed to be doing is that I have it written here. After having a reversal candle, wait for a 7 or 20-minute chart entry. These are specially made chart in Renko candle style, right? So supposed to be taking a 7-minute short entry if it start to continue to drop, right? And I made this chart on the 26th. So today what happened? On Monday, 28th, you can see it all the way from here to here. So what happened? Did I take the trade after this happened? And I knew that this is going to happen, right? I was anticipating actually. So what happened? This is exactly what happened. It started to drop and gave me a 7-minute chart entry right there. My EA robot opened the trade and it is 405 pip. I just closed it now. Sell order is right there, you can see, and then SL is moved to break even plus. Similarly, I had several setups charts like that, but let me show you one more, which is, I guess, USD yen, right? Same thing. USD yen 40-minute chart made on 26th April and supposed to take a 7-minute short entry from here. It's supposed to be coming here. What happened at this chart today, Monday? So far, this 5 o'clock. It's 5:29 p.m. Eastern time, and it came exactly 42.10. And did I take the trade? Did it give me the entry and 7-minute chart? Let's take a look. And oh, this is the entry. See that beautiful entry taken by the robot, this EA robot that I placed. All I had to do is that after I have my setup chart, I place my EA robot on the 7-minute chart, make it short only, and as soon as the setup is there, the trade open automatically. And I sell, my EA, place the SL, the TP, and all of that. I usually keep the TP open and close the trade myself. So this was the first entry, this was the second entry, this was the third entry. So the first one it takes, and my EA only takes one entry at a time, so it didn't take this one or this one, right? So one entry at a time, and then it goes for the distance. Why? Because these pairs, the yen pairs especially, has big daily range. They move around 200 pip, USD yen, Euro yen, and pound yen. They move every single day. So you always have a good chance of having a big trade if you make the entry early. See this white dotted line? This is the daily open line. So I was right underneath that, and then boom, all the way to 140. Similarly, I had this chart gold made on the Saturday, saying that this is my Elliott wave count. This is wave 108, 2B, and then it's supposed to be going up there, or 3 or C. So when the market opens up, it first is start to drop, retrace for this move, right? And then it start to go to the upside. Let me show you. This is what happened. So it started to come down. It came down here, and then I was looking only for long. So I didn't bother with this short move at all. But when it started to go to the upside, look what happened. I took my entry exactly the same way. It applies the same rule here. So on a shorter time frame for 500 box size, buy orders right there. My robot opened the trade. This is a slightly different robot, the EA, but it works the same way, same strategy. And it opened the trade 350 pip. Another entry from here to the upside. Again, it went up, and look at that, 170 pip more in gold. So this is what happened with this Renko candle style trading, and especially my EA robot. So if you like what you saw, you want to get a hold of this EA robot, then go on my website right here. It is available right now. It is not for sale. I'm not going to sell it, but it is. You can use it on a monthly basis, and you go here, website subscription, and you can subscribe monthly, and then you can have it. I'll give you the indicator for to open the Renko candles and set up the charts on your computer, as well as show you how to use this robot CTS 6 every single day, just like that. And I have several trades. Basically, let me show you what I'm expecting is like this one, for example, right? USD index 40-minute box size. So I'm anticipating already that this might be bouncing from here. And if it does, then what's going to happen? I'm also anticipating this. Let me show you here. If that happens, pound USD is going to drop. So it's all the way there. And I'll make a new chart for tomorrow. And I give it to my subscribers, and we will take the trades, accordingly, right? Going to the upside, I also had a nice trade today for 85, 90 pip, pound USD. But now, when USD make the turn, this thing is going to drop, and I'm already getting ready for that, right? So this is what you learn when you sign up with the monthly subscription. You attend my webinars. I'm not doing the webinars, but I send out every single day a new video with the setup charts, right? So this is it for now. Like I said, they go on my website and serve the website. You have different things. One-on-one coaching is right there. Combo deals, blah blah blah. Indicators. My robots are here, right? So this is it. So I'll talk to you guys later. Then have a very very wonderful day.